Tonight again we are so blessed to have the acting Prime Minister of Fiji, Honorable Aiyaz Sayed-Khaiyum, as our chief guest.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. It gives me much pleasure to be here. Of course, firstly I'd like to thank the organizers. I met Kulsum last year for the first time, and of course we are here again this year. And this 3 or 4 day program actually is quite inclusive. It brings everybody together, in particular in Cuvu, and again I'd like to thank her for that. I think this what she has done, in fact, it kind of fits in with what we've announced in the budget, and that is essentially trying to focus on families, building stronger families, building stronger communities. A number of initiatives have been put in place to ensure that we bond together as a community, bond together indeed as a country, to ensure that we have long-term prosperity, long-term unity, and of course a very bright future for the young people. Today in Fiji, 50% of the population is below the age of 27. 70% of the population is below the age of 40. A very young population. So we need to ensure that whatever we do is inclusive, whatever we do actually builds upon the future for our future generations. So ladies and gentlemen, I understand tonight is Bollywood night. And Bollywood night is always full of fun and expectations. And once again, thank you for your participation. It gives me much pleasure to be here. And of course, I'd like to thank the sponsor once again. Hasmud Ali has been around for a number of decades, probably 3 or 4 decades in Fiji, providing these rides, these entertainments that we have here. This year, for the first time, we'll be celebrating Constitution Day in Vanuatu in Lambasa, specifically on Friday, this Friday, the 7th of September. And again, we've used these services, and he'll be providing rides and various other fun activities for the people in Vanuatu. And again, it's part of the inclusive sort of environment we're trying to create. I'd like to thank you for that. And of course, Navin Chandra is here. FSC, of course, is a very key institution in Fiji. Of course, Cuvu, when the cane production was a lot higher, Cuvu was the hive of activity, where you had a lot of cane production, a lot of cane farmers. And all this land that we actually sit on is still owned by FSC. And we, of course, are doing some wonderful things with them too. So ladies and gentlemen, thank you very much, and thank you for the organizers, and I wish you all a very good evening. Manaka, thank you.